Tiny bass hit it. Right when I looked away there. Fishing a rebel craw.
I'll be shocked if we don't hit something before we're done.
There's a bass.
You on one?
Yep.
Alright.
Right in front of me there. That little red buzzbait. Tugging pretty good.
Good man.
That's alright, bass. Sweet.
Looks like a nice fish, buddy.
Yeah, he's alright. Oh yeah.
That's a good bass, man.
Good solid bass.
Nice. Way to go.
He's probably like a 17.
Oh!
Sweet. This is going well. That's a solid one. Yeah, that might be bigger. That same buzzbait. This is a nice run right here. I've never fished this before. I just found it. Fishing with Roger.
Nice fish, man.
This might be a big one. It might be 18 plus. Solid one. Maybe. Hard to tell. He's definitely a thick one. These little buzzbaits are killer. Late summer, fall. He's alright sized. It's a thick one for sure. About the same length as the last one. 16, 17. Seemed a little bigger. Thicker though. There's one. On the bigger buzzbait, it might be a 3/8, red and black. Hey Roger. Got another one. Yeah.
Nice.
Cookie cutter decent ones. Roger just got 15 and a half. This one's like a 15 barely maybe. Yeah, right around there. Sweet. That sounded like a pig. Man, they're just landing so hard today. Another buzzbait fish. That was the money cast. Hard to get a good glide like that. That underhand pitch works pretty well for that though. These buzzbaits. Otherwise, a lot of time it catches the blade catches the wind wrong, and that takes away a lot of the momentum. This guy seemed pretty nice. Man, this is great. This is a great run. Wow. First time I tried it, I found it the other day. Looks decent. Another decent one, Roger. Just gave up there. Cool. Cookie cutter decent ones. All like 15 to 17. But thick. They're landing so hard though. They're landing like 20s. Just sounds so heavy. Hard to hear on the camera probably, but it sounded like a pig when he landed. It's alright, glide. Next cast, another fish. This is great. This is something else, Roger. Too much fun. We're just catching and releasing all these guys, obviously. We're having a ball. We're catching a bunch of dinks on another stretch of the river earlier. All like 4 to 15 inches. At least these guys have a little meat to them. This guy's smaller though, but still. I'll take 15 to 17s all day. Nothing big, but fun. It's a little 12-incher. This is just a ball. Another one. Feels a little smaller. Had quite a few strikes and misses at this point. I just totally missed the buzzbait. Roger's caught a few. I don't know how long we're going to stay here though, but we might have to get home soon. Yeah, this is just a little guy. And that 1/8 ounce buzzbait. That is weird. What is all over him? Stuff coming out of him. There's another one. I just had like a 15-incher on. It popped off right at my feet. I'm working a rebel craw on my way back up here. This guy's smaller. Roger's covering behind me pretty well a variety of micro buzzbaits. I figured I'd try a rebel craw or spinner or something. Something here. That's definitely not a bass. It's a little walleye.
Walleye.
Huh. Look at that. It's by the skin of the lip. Nice. Fun variety in that rebel craw.
I'd always get fish, but we hit a lot of beautiful smallmouth tonight.
Yeah.
That one.
Yep. That's what I'm looking for. We're just making our way out here. That feels like another walleye. They're turning on right around dark. Yeah.
Yep. Alright, I'm gonna...
Yeah, that's a 16-incher skinny
A
though.
little bit bigger than the first one.
Yeah, he's a solid 15.5, 16. Cool. Oh, another fish. Just working this craw. Steady retrieve. Nice bass. That's what I'm looking for. Oh, Roger. He's had a couple ear infections, so it's hard for him to hear lately. Oh, another cookie cutter bass. Got jammed on my shirt there. Shoot. That's not good. Ouch. Trying to show him to here. Yeah, there he is. Another 14 or so.